Hello friends. Today we are going to make some simple sentences by using some words. So let us begin. The first word is house. The house is big. The house is big. The next word is eat. He eats a sandwich. He eats a sandwich. Computer. I use a computer. I use a computer. Milk. The milk is hot. The milk is hot. Football. He watches football. He watches football. Soft. The sofa is soft. The sofa is soft. Tennis. He plays tennis. He plays tennis. Ball. The ball is round. The ball is round. Shoes. He wears shoes. He wears shoes. Tea. I like tea. I like tea. Park. The park is quiet. The park is quiet. The next word is room. He cleans his room. He cleans his room. Go. They go shopping. They go shopping. The next word is sun. The sun sets. The sun sets. New. The phone is new. The phone is new. Clean. The desk is clean. The desk is clean. Car. She drives a car. She drives a car. Cat. The cat plays. The cat plays. Water. The water is cold. The water is cold. The next word is apple. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. Box. The box is heavy. The box is heavy. Tall. The tree is tall. The tree is tall. Next word is music. He listens to music. He listens to music. Drink. They drink tea. They drink tea. Fresh. The bread is fresh. The bread is fresh. The next word is baby. The baby sleeps. The baby sleeps. Walk. They go for walking. They go for walking. The next word is book. I like to read book. I like to read book. Thank you.